We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard in crimson and white. It's got the beautiful chrome spokes on the wheels, rider floorboards, extremely comfortable beach cruiser style handlebars. I like the black detailing on the forks and the engine with the chrome exhaust. It's got that cool retro feel on a new motorcycle. Super dependable, really easy to ride. And last thing on this bike is the fact that it has ABS. Bike is super clean for used, super low miles. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California. We're open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check this out. It is super clean.